If you haven't used Facebook in a while, you might have forgotten your password. However, you might be still logged into the Facebook app. If you're logged into Facebook, you won't be able to see your password directly on the app. This is because Facebook does not allow it, as it compromises your security. If there was a feature that allows you to view your Facebook password while you're logged in, then anyone will be able to see your Facebook password. You might be wondering how you can see your Facebook password in the app without having to change it. In this video I will show you 2 methods to see your Facebook password if you forgot. So, let us start. Method 1. Password Manager. Some passwords are automatically saved on your smartphone. Hence, there's a high chance that you can find your Instagram password on your device as it might be saved. To see your Facebook password, you need to check your saved passwords on your device. You can check your saved passwords on both iPhone and Android devices. Open the settings of your Android phone. Now go to Google. Select Manage your Google account. Go to Security. Scroll down to Password Manager. Here you will find all saved password. Select Facebook. Enter your phone login. Now you can show your Facebook password. Method 2. Check your browser's saved passwords. If you have made your browser remember the passwords of websites, you might be able to recover your forgotten Facebook password by checking your browser's saved passwords. Check how to view a saved password in Google Chrome below. Open Google Chrome browser and click the 3-dot icon at the upper right corner. Click Settings. In Google Settings page, scroll down in the right window and click Passwords under Autofill. On Passwords page, you can see a saved passwords. It lists the name, username, and obscured password of all websites that you've saved the login information. To see the Facebook password, you can click the eye icon next to Facebook website. Then the saved password will be revealed. You can remember your Facebook password then. So, this the easy way to see Facebook password if we forget. Hope this video will help you to know your Facebook password without changing it. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.